Stark Future have lifted the lid on their first factory road legal offering, bringing the capabilities of their inaugural Varg motocross model to the Enduro and trail riding crowds. Called the Varg X, the 120-kilogram electric machine builds on Stark's existing motocross base and retunes it for use away from the track. Following Alta's departure from the market, Stark appeared on the scene just 4 years previously. Despite this, the brand have already developed a significant following, taking 850 orders within the first 24 hours of the release of their breakthrough motorcycle, which was accompanied by the claim that it was, and still is, the most powerful production motocross machine on sale. Still, with this new Enduro-orientated package, the most obvious visual differences come with the addition of a 4,000-lumen headlight, tail light, horn, and rear license plate hole. Already a factory option on the existing Varg, the X also ditches its 19-inch rear wheel in favor of an 18-inch affair, which allows for highway-legal rubber. Beyond these skin-deep changes, Stark have beefed up the 7.2 kW honeycomb magnesium battery too. Integrated into the steel chassis as a structural component, this larger power plant delivers a claimed 20% range time than the 6.8 kW unit fitted to the crosser, giving a forecasted ride time of 1.3 to 6 hours, depending on use time. Stark say the battery is built to last as well, projecting its use life to be 10 times that of a 450cc engine between rebuilds, with the cost of replacement allegedly similar to that of rebuilding a combustion motor. The electric motor features a crawl mode for navigated low-traction terrain, reverse, engine brake configuration between 0 and 100%. There are also tunable regenerative curves and full customization options for power levels, from a 125cc equivalent up to well beyond the output of a 450cc Enduro. Speaking of output, the Varg X comes in two options. A 59 brake horsepower standard model costing 10,900 pounds, or for a grand extra, customers can opt for the full-fat Alpha model packing 79 brake horsepower. Keeping all that manageable is a suspension pairing from Kype, which includes a fully adjustable rear shock and closed cartridge forks, both tuned specifically for Enduro use and ready to deliver 300mm of bounce at either end. Where the clocks on most Enduro machines tend to resemble a 90s Casio watch, the X is a little different, featuring what Stark are calling the Arkenstone, an Android control and navigation device that offers GPS trail tracking, turn-by-turn navigation, controls to dial on the bike's power output, and a community route sharing system. Despite carrying a heavy battery, the Varg's weight is not far off that of combustion-engined Enduro bikes, roughly 10 kilograms more. But customers wanting to shave off as much mass as possible, though, can opt for titanium bolt kits and foot peg options, as well as having the choice to mount the rear brake by the right foot peg or at the handlebar. There are 5 tire setup combinations to select from, including tubed, tubeless, or mouse configurations.